Hello everyone, it's been a few days since I uploaded a YouTube video, and I figured I'd show you my face and talk about it real quick before I pause this camera here. Hold on, let's go. Damn, look at that. Starting to snow, it's supposed to get up to 8 inches, maybe more. Say it's, ooh, yeah, it is that heavy stuff. Ooh, I like this shit. Ooh, this is a snowball. Really heavy. There's only maybe like 2 or 3 inches out there. Oh, caca. Oh, man. Well, we're gonna take my slash out there, got it all running last night. Gas bubbles, coffee. Well, we're gonna take the slash out in a little bit, gotta set the car for a lady. Move it up, clean it off, make a path. We'll be back in a few. We took the RC out for a rep. As you can tell, it doesn't do too good in the grass because of the heavy, thick, wet snow we got here. So it was in the first maybe like 2 minutes, it was weighing from 20 pounds to weighing like 50 pounds. But 3S lipo, stock tires, in the snow, thick snow, heavy snow, whatever you want to call it. It's alright, but there's a lot of wheel spin because of the stock tires. As you can tell, I don't know, I really can't tell. I was out for like 10 minutes. Anyways, this is made off in the tracks. You can see the tracks there. Boys marks from his fucking power stroke. Oh yeah, you can partially see all the tracks I made. And that was one. I just came upstairs like 5 minutes ago to put the battery on charge. So 5 minutes, and you can't even see where I was just digging up the road. It's crazy. Well, that'll be it for now. This is a snow video for whatever the snowstorm is they're calling it this time, whatever name they're giving it. But this is that snowstorm on February, I think it's 3rd or 4th. That's it for now. Yeah, so, oops, screwed that up. But anyway, so that was that video. Hope you comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Still getting used to this YouTube thing. I don't do it every day, so I'm trying to get better with it. But yeah, freak snowstorm, RCing. It was fun. Later.